Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be on restore number 99. It's a 1956 10 horsepower QD17. Beautiful Johnson Seahorse. 1956 model. I'll take her out on my 14-foot feather craft. See how she does underwater. Everybody's ready. Here we go. All right, I got here out here on the lake this morning. Giving her the run. My 1956 10 horsepower Johnson on a beautiful morning here at Lake Martin. Let's give her a start and take her out for a cruise, see how she does. I mean, this is one of the best restores I've ever done. It's restore number 99. It idles like a kitten. Pushes my 14-foot John boat about 19 miles an hour. Pretty awesome. Alright, that was a great lake run for this 1956 10 horsepower fully restored. I failed to mention that I'm going to keep this in my collection. I might be convinced to sell it if somebody wants to make me an offer for it. So if you're interested, contact me either through this YouTube or text me 337-278-5429. Make an offer for this beauty. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.